Today I have a very special gift to share with you. This is the secret to my own endless well of creativity. Hey guys, I'm Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. I share tips, tricks, and tutorials for the modern quilter, and I share creativity inspiration for absolutely everyone. Okay, here's my big secret. As much as I would like to think that I am this absolutely brilliant creative, the truth is I'm tired, okay? When I do have time for myself, when I do make that effort to say, okay, I am going to create, I'm going to sew, I'm going to do something amazing, and then I sit down, that creativity doesn't just turn on automatically and start pouring out. So what do? I tap into my backup creative energy, and that is where the secret sauce comes in. I have a background as a designer and a major in the studio art. Some of my ideas and stuff will seem a little bit unorthodox to like the finely trained quilter. It may kind of creep that line between genius and insanity, and I'm here to tell you, I'm all for it. I'm completely okay with it, okay? But if it helps you tap into that bank of creativity when you need it the most, then me sharing this with you today is absolutely worth it. You know, creativity isn't just for quilting. It's a huge part of the entire... It's much easier if I just show you and explain things along the way. Do you want to actually take a peek at my secret vault of creativity? Yeah, I thought you would. This is usually only for my eyes, okay? I don't show this to anybody else. I feel like there's somebody who could use a jumpstart in their creativity as we ease into the summer months. So here we go. This is a look at my personal creativity vault. So everywhere I go, whether it's bustling streets or quiet parks, moments in the car with my kids, I capture moments of unexpected beauty with my phone. I love art anyway, so this is really, really easy for me. But you know, this practice isn't just about taking pictures, it's about training your eye to see the extraordinary in the ordinary. By noticing the beauty in a cracked sidewalk or the artistry in a store display window, we keep our creativity young and our spirits ever curious. Eternal youth? Yes, please. Absolutely. It could be the way the light is hitting a building or an oddly beautiful pattern in a puddle. Try to find little bits of beauty every day. It is my forever homework assignment to myself. I don't tell anyone about this habit of mine. Until now, of course, because this isn't about anyone else. It's all about keeping your eyes open. Your mind has to remain present to notice all the precious details around you. Each snapshot of life, each little video that I take adds up to this beautiful mosaic of inspiration. I find that when I'm doing this and when I'm focusing on this, I am more present in the lives of my family, in the opportunities that I am blessed with every day, and the life that I am gifted to live with. Not every day is all sunshine and roses and beams of sunlight. Sometimes I go through stretches of time where it feels like my days are just cloaked in rain clouds of emotion. You know what I mean? My sadness can linger from one day to the next, or sometimes even stretch into weeks. And it can be really tough. But here's the thing. I've come to realize that this is a gift. To celebrate in life is a gift. To squeal with laughter and joy. To cry when you're sad, to cry over something beautiful, to love someone so much that it hurts in their absence. It is a gift to be content with the long, comfortable silence of sitting with a good friend. To mourn over change and make memories that bring a smile and laughter to your eyes decades after they've happened. It's all a natural, beautiful part of life. Every experience, light or heavy, adds depth to our creativity. Creativity brings life to the world. Each of the quilts that we create are one of a kind and valuable pieces of art. Nothing else on this earth ever was or will be created the same again. So my forever homework for myself is to always be looking for those little sparks of beauty in the world, because they're always there, even on the cloudiest of cloudy days. Creativity isn't just about making new things and finding ways to make little beautiful trinkets that make our hearts giggle with happiness. It's a powerful force that changes the world that we live in. It leaves a mark through each generation and leaves our legacy to our future generations. My friend, I want you to consider doing a little of your own homework for life. I want you to keep creating, not just for your own sanity or because quilting really is your love language. Believe me, I get it. I want you to create beautiful things for the world that is yet to come. So how do you keep this creative energy flowing? You surround yourself with positive influences. Join a quilting group in your area or consider yourself a forever student to your craft. Always be learning. Give yourself permission to take rejuvenating breaks from time to time. And please don't confuse the pop culture term of productivity with having to be busy checking off to-do list items all the time. Being productive for yourself can sometimes be as easy as taking a nap or catching up on a book that you've been wanting to read. Remember, every moment of inspiration you capture adds to your unique reservoir of creativity. Make it a bottomless reservoir. I hope that you've enjoyed some of my own personal archive items of creativity from the last year or so. If you were to open up my camera roll, I swear to you, it is a absolutely puzzling collection of screenshots, weird puddles in the street, raindrops on my car, my children when they will smile for a quick photo, recipes that look delicious, and quilts in various stages of productivity. Before I let you go today, I want to do a little experiment with you. I want you to put in the comment section down below a moment of time that brings you inspiration, that brings you a sense of creativity. It could be these big, grand, ginormous moments in your life. It could be tiny, little, minuscule moments, but I would love for you to share one of those moments with me. My personality, think of a 5-year-old who has had some cotton candy for breakfast. Yeah, that's about it. So if that sparks your curiosity, would you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down there in the bottom corner of this video? I would greatly appreciate that. I am on a mission to spread joy and the importance of creativity to the rest of the world. And one more thing, if you enjoyed the chat today and you do not have your own group of quilting friends, I want you to consider this your official invitation to join the Stitch Sister Inner Circle. It's our own cozy little corner where quilters come together and share our love of creativity, our love of sewing, our love of quilting, our love of fabric, our obsession with all things fabric, okay? I adore these girls. So if this sounds like something that you need, I would absolutely love for you to be a part of our sisterhood. Check out the link in the description box down below for more information. I hope you have a great week. I'll see you next time. Bye.